Hello students, today we are going to see about the simplification of step by step, that is in the fraction. In that we are going to see about the case 1 the whole divided by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 3. This is the problem. So usual way, how will you do it? The first you will be taking the LCM for the denominator. I will first teach you how you can do the usual method, then I will move on to the trick. So when you do it in the terms of the usual method, I do 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by, so I am going to take the LCM here, LCM of 1 and 3, which is 3. So I'll multiply into 3 into 3. Then I will proceed with 1 divided by, so 3 plus 1 by 3. So you will be getting here 4 by 3, that is 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by 1 by 4 by 3. So what happened to this? This 3 will go to the numerator part because it is the whole division part, right? So I will be writing here 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by 4 by 3. So now what happens here? Again, this will go to the top. So when you do, you will be getting 1 divided by 1 plus 3 by 4 you will be getting here. So hope you understood what I am doing here in these two steps. Now again you will take the LCM. If there is nothing denominator, you will write it 1. Between 1 and 1 and 4, the LCM is 4. I'll multiply into 4 into 4. Then I will be getting here 1 divided by 4 plus 3 by 4, which in turn I'll be getting here 1 divided by 7 by 4. So now I will be getting my answer. This 4 goes to the numerator part. So I'll be getting here it is 4 by 7. This is the usual method. If you miss any of your particular step, the whole answer goes wrong. So now let's move on to the trick how you can do it in a minute to get your answer. So now here, look at here, the same example I have taken here. I am going to use the trick to solve this problem. The first look here, you have here two steps. Okay, since I have two steps, the first what I'm having here 1 by 3. So this I will be writing here 1 and 3. Since there are two steps are involved here. Since two steps are involved here, I will place two dashes. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 1 plus 3. I'll be getting here 4. That you're going to take it and write it over here. You will be getting 4. Then again what you will do, again you will be adding these two and you will take down and you will write the value here. You will be getting here 7. Now what you will do here, this will be your the numerator part and this will be of the denominator part. So now you will be getting your answer is 4 by 7. It is very easy, no students, without any longer steps. Wherever you have it in your competitive examination, you can try to solve this. When you keep practicing, you will be able to solve within a minute this method. So now let's move on to the next problem, how you can do this. So first I'm having here 1 by 2. So I'm going to write here it as 1 comma 2. The next count, how many steps are there? 1, 2, 3 steps. I'll put here 3 dashes. So now what you will do, you will be adding this 1 plus 2 you will be adding, you're going to write here 3. Then 2 plus 3 you will add it, you will write here 5. Then 3 plus 5 you will add it, you will write here 8. So now your numerator part will be 5, the denominator part will be 8. So for your final answer, you will be arriving here, which is 5 by 8. It is very easy, no students. Now we will see some more example. So now I have here very lengthy step. The same thing, only what I did for the previous, I'm going to follow here also. The first thing what I will be doing here, I have it here 3 by 4. So if I have 3 by 4, the first step what you're going to write here, you will be writing 3 and 4. Then count how many steps, 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. So you have to place here 4 dashes, 1, 2, 3, 4 dashes you will be placing here. Then after placing these 4 dashes, what you're going to do, you're going to add these two numbers. When you add these two numbers, you'll get 7. These two numbers you will be getting 11, then 7 plus 11 you will be getting here 18, then 11 plus 18 you will be getting here 29. So your answer will become here 18 upon 29. So now we will move on to the next problem here. The same thing I'm going to do here also. So I will be writing 2, 5. Then I have here 3 steps. So I will place 3 dashes. Then I'm going to add here 2 plus 5, I'll get 7. Then 5 plus 7, I'll be getting here 12. Then 7 plus 12, I'll be getting here 19. So now my process got completed. I'll be getting my answer 12 upon 90. It is very easy. I have solved these 4 sums on the case 1. In the next video, I will be explaining about the case 2. Okay students, bye, take care.